Ladies and gentlemen, so now we're at a stage where we're pouring the concrete over our mesh of rebars. It's probably, I guess you could say it's probably one of the best stages in construction of any structure. You get a very, very satisfying feeling of pouring that nice juicy concrete and all those blank spaces. Everything you've done has been basically been done for this moment in time where you finally see the fruits of your labor. Being taken advantage of. Truck here. You have that I guess cylinder or whatever you want to call it. Their concrete mix pumping, getting all pumped out. Over here, you can see all the way down. Good stuff. Very satisfying. This right here is a vibrator, essentially, so it kind of makes sure that the concrete is being settled down properly. So there's no air bubbles, I guess, or there's no voids within the concrete as it's settling down, right? As you can see, there's the previous concrete that we've poured so far. As you can see, it's drying up very quickly.